Hey team, Tim Thomas out here at the Work at Home Center. Got some great information for you in this video. We're going to talk about the Crazy Cash Flyer, the 200 Cash Express Flyer, and why you want to work at home right now, the urgency of now, as we are going into 2024, full speed ahead, and it's going to be a remarkable year. We're going to plug you into some programs, folks. We're going to talk about what we feel that you can make, and we'll do it all on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas, turn your speakers up. I got a good one for you today. The Oh My God Crazy Cash Flyer is just absolutely continuing to grow in leaps and bounds. This flyer, folks, has been amazing for me. I got a payment that just came in. I want to show it to you, but great things are happening. I want to invite you for the ride. Folks, we're going to talk about some things, again, what we believe that you can make. Of course, income disclaimer in life, nothing happens till you take action, and you do a lot of it. But I'm telling you, the sky is the limit. The goal is to get into one program, and then two, and then three, and then you have simultaneously money flowing from the north, south, east, and the west. Income disclaimer, folks, in your life, nothing's going to happen until you take action, and you do a lot of it. But this Crazy Cash Flyer has been absolutely astounding as to what it has done for me and my family. I believe it will continue to work for some years to come. We're going to look at this flyer here. We're going to talk about, well, that's easy money. That thing's incredible too. We're going to talk about this 200 United Cash Express. You request those flyers from me today. If you're watching this video, do it today. Money loves speed. I'm telling you, folks, when you put it into the atmosphere, when you put it out, show goodwill, show integrity, show value, show product service, and show people a better way, people will run you down and send you money on a consistent basis. I want to welcome one of our new members to the team that sent this over straight through Cash App. So we're very excited about that. Here is the payment. It just came straight through to the Cash App. Welcome to the team, Rick. So we're glad to have you. Could not be more excited to have him a part of this team. Great things are happening, and we want to invite you to come along for the ride. Let me go through this flyer real quick, folks. When you join, folks, you're going to get leads and stamps. You're going to get 300 stamps and 300 leads. Let me see. 300 forever stamps. You're going to get 300 buyer leads on pill and stick labels, and this is incredible. And the way this flyer works, folks, is $4.50 to join. You keep all the money. You forward only $100 to the admin. This is for product fulfillment. And then admin was going to rush your prospect, your new member, a flyer just like this. Look here. Look at this young man here on the flyer here, having a great time with this flyer program. The Crazy Cash Flyer is converting like crazy, and I could not be more excited. Your information will go here, your name and phone number. The admin will put that on your flyer, have you off to the races. So I could not be more excited. Fill the information out. Folks, you can join today through Cash App or Zelle, and we'll get you going. Please allow 7 to 10 days to get your marketing kit. But once I get it, I forward the $100 to the admin, and you just email me your information, and I'll get you off to the races. Folks, I'm excited about this flyer, lives that we're going to change here in the next few years. Are you tired of getting burned on so-called MLM opportunities? Tired of wasting your money on programs that don't work? This young lady's not feeling it. Dear friend, are you tired of wasting your money? Well, this flyer here has made Roy in South Carolina. So look at the money around Roy. And look at James. James is a great guy. Just tearing the thing up. Rodney, our program owner. If you got any questions, call Rodney, folks. Ask him about the flyer. But if you just remain consistent, mail the flyer, give it 90 days try. After 90 days, you don't receive one single sale, just ask for a refund. It's just that simple. That's the guarantee that admin has given you. So read that, and the sky is the limit with this flyer. Now, I want to switch over quickly to the United Cash Express. I want to talk about how it works. I'm talking about the product. The product is involved with it. $200, folks, down through 3 levels. You get $200 on your first level, second and third level. This is astounding as the way this works. Folks, let me tell you what. Once you get started in these programs, you remain consistent and you do it over and over and over again. Folks, I'm telling you what, I have priority packages showing up on a consistent basis every single day to the week. And I'm telling you, I'm nothing special, but I take extraordinary steps to get this done. Troy Moore, Troy's taking action and getting excited about these programs that he's running and things that we've got going on. I'm excited about what we can do to help people to grow their income and the urgency of right now. You take success. Look at this flyer. It has psychological triggers. Jose Green talks about it all the time. Big red $200 in the box up here. When people get that flyer, they're going to take action. That thing's beautiful when people open it up. Let's all unite. Get paid $200 in your pocket when people like you need it the most. Like us, we need it the most. If you're out there dependent on a job, folks, I'm telling you what, you're not doing it right. But you put yourself in a leveraged wealth situation. Have thousands of flyers working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Better than Forex, folks. And I trade Forex. I like Bitcoin. I do investment platforms. But I tell you what, nothing like having a good old-fashioned flyer floating through the mail, thousands of people looking at it, and taking action when they buy the product or service. It is exciting. People that are serious about generating a large amount of cash sent directly to them, nothing could be easier. Let us unite. This is how thousands upon thousands of dollars can be made together. Future associate, are you ready to join the 200 Cash Express flyer? This is how this thing works. All the money comes directly to you. When you sign up, your name is permanently in box number 1. Look at the box number 1. Your name's right there. And when you sign up, your name's in box number 1. When you get another person that signs up with you, you go to number 2. You're going to be on that flyer forever. Folks, what if you go get 15 people? You'll be in number 2 spot. And every time they get $200 payment, you get a $200 payment. Folks, watch this. It's getting even more excited. Now, when they 15 go get 30 a piece, folks, you can be on literally hundreds of flyers in a small amount of time. All you do is got it started and got excited about it. Man, I'm excited. It only takes one time a $675 joining fee. The admin fee is only $75, but you're going to send $200 person 1, 2, and 3, and 1 to the admin, copy of the flyer, and we'll get you going. Folks, this is exciting. You're going to get leads, you're going to get a marketing kit, and you're going to get unlimited support when you join as your product, service, and value. Larry over there at All American Print can even print this flyer. He can print this flyer. And he can print it. He can print 4,000 copies. He can print 6,000, 16,000, 40,000, 80,000. And those are his prices. Larry over there, All American Print Mail. He does sell these also. So great things are happening. I could not be more excited about what we've got going on. Get started. And folks, let me tell you, I'm going to talk about these money postcard. I'll tell you, I got video after video after video after video on these programs because they continue to work. And they work over and over and over and over again. So I'm very excited. The Crazy Cash Flyer, folks, look at my videos. 8 months ago, 1 month ago, 4 days ago, 8 months ago. Crazy Cash Flyer. This thing is fire. I'm excited, friends. So get excited about the urgency of now. Request any of these flyers that you see on my channel. Request them. Some people are paying by Cash App via Zelle, or you can mail it in. And we'll get you started in any of these programs. Some people are requesting all of these programs. Get in where you fit in, folks. And let's make 2024 one of the best years of our life. All right, folks, if you enjoyed this video, would you please give it a big thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you up top, and on the next one.